Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with 8 petal flower motif which is worked with cotton 3-ply yarn. I have used these 3 colors of cotton 3-ply yarn from Magic Needles and a 2 mm crochet hook for this, and it's a lovely pattern. It can be used as applique for any fabric that we like, any variables we like, and as a decorative piece also, and it will look very beautiful. So let us go into the video without much delay friends. Chain 6, slip stitch and join to form a ring. Now in the circle, in the chain space here inside, place 16 DCs. You can begin the first one with either chain 3 or make a standing double crochet, whichever is convenient to you. Place 16 DCs in the circle. I shall also place and get back. I have total 16 DCs here. Now slip stitch and join to the very first DC or the third chain of the first 3 chains. You can either chain 3 and begin, or I am going to make chain 1 and then make a standing double crochet in the very first stitch here, where we did our slip stitch. Chain 2, one more DC in the same stitch. Now chain 1, skip 1 and V stitch in the next. So you are placing DC, chain 2, DC as the V stitch and alternate stitches all around, separated by chain 1 space. So this is separated by chain 1 space here. Okay. So chain 1 now. Skip the next DC, the following one. Skip 1 DC in the following one, your V stitch. Double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began, my DC or chain 3. We've come to the end of this round here. Now chain 1 and slip stitch to the third chain of the first 3 chain or the first stitch of the DC that we made. That is the first DC that we made on top of the DC that we made. The saloon is little dicey. Yeah. Here we go. Now slip stitch into chain 2 space. Make a little loose slip stitch there. Now you can start with either chain 3 or make a standing double crochet, which is our favorite here. One more double crochet. Sorry, this has become loose. Chain 2. 2 more double crochets, all in the same chain 2 space. Now chain 1, skip the chain 1 single chain space and place a 2 DC V stitch here. 2 DC V stitches, 2 doubles, chain 2, 2 doubles in each of the V stitches that we did before, and they are separated by one single chain. So I shall place the V stitches all around and get back where I began. I have come to the end of the round here. I have chained 1 and I am going to remove this and do my invisible join here. So pick up under the second DC, second stitch here, pull out from front to back, and now come to the very first, that is the single chain here. Insert your hook from behind the back loop, pick this yarn and pull through. So invisible join is done. Afterwards you can tuck this behind the stitches, or when you're working the next stitches you can hide it behind. It's time to join color 2 now. So you can join color 2 under any chain 2 spaces with a slip stitch, or you can slip knot and join there. It's up to you. And yet another method is and directly make a standing DC, make a slip knot, insert a hook under this, yarn over, insert under, pick up a loop, hold it, hold this tight, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is your first double crochet, standing double crochet done. Then 6 more double crochets in this chain space. So this is one method of making your standing first double crochet into any stitch given. So make 7 doubles here totally. In every chain 2 space we are going to have 7 doubles. So we have done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, one more to go. Yes. And one single in the chain space. Single chain space, one single in single chain space, again 7 doubles in chain 2 spaces. So every V stitch is going to have 7 doubles under the chain 2 space, and every single crochet is going to have every chain space is going to have one single crochet on it. Okay, so let us complete this stitch pattern all around and get back. Come to the end of the round here. I have done my last single crochet and we are going to fasten off. Hence we are going to let us do the invisible join. The second stitch here, underneath that from behind, pull this loop and insert your hook from behind the back loop of your last stitch. Pick this and pull through and pull it tight. Here we go. So the join is not seen, and this I will tuck it behind the stitches at the back. Okay, now it's time to join the third color. So join the third color in any of the single crochets or the middle DC of the 7 DC group. There we can make a single crochet. We can do the single crochet join here. Any of this place we can do, but only the stitch is going to be different. So let me join from here itself. Slip stitch and join. Make a single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 3. Place a double in the next single crochet. Chain 3. Place a single in the 4th DC of 7 DC group. Chain 3 and place 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles, all in the single crochet between these two shells. So here we are going to place 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. So we have 8 petals. We are going to convert it into a square, make it into 4-sided figure. Sorry, it slipped from my hand. And again chain 3, a single on top of the 4th DC of 7 DC group, chain 3, a double On the next single crochet, chain 3, a single on top of the fourth DC, 1 2 3 4th DC of 7 DC group, and again we're going to make a corner. So chain 3, in this single crochet place 3 doubles, chain 3, 3 doubles. So continue the stitch pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began my stitch here. We come to the end of this round here. Now chain 3, and we need to slip stitch to the very first single crochet. Let us slip stitch from behind. So having slip stitched, this is going to be a single crochet round, single crochet on the same stitch. Under every chain 3 space on the sides, 3 single crochets. On every stitch, 1 single crochet each. In the corner 2, single on every DC. Pick up the stitch here because this will hide. 1, 2, and 3. In the chain space in the corner, make 1 single, chain 3, 1 single. So this is a stitch repeat for all the rounds. Under every chain 3 space, place 3 singles. In the corner, make single, chain 3 single. And on each of the stitches, place 1 single. So that is the stitch pattern here for this round. Completed. I shall also complete and get back. I have placed the last single crochet and I have cut the yarn. Now I am going to do invisible join like we did in the other swatches and here in the other rounds also. So pick up and from the back loop of the last stitch that we made, pull the loop. Oh God. Here we go. So this is the 8 petal flower motif. This I have worked with 3-ply cotton yarn from Magic Needles. So hope you like this pattern. This I have purposely made this small swatch so that we'll get an idea of how big or how small it is with 3-ply cotton. So it is only 3 inches square, and this can be used as appliques for wearables or for any projects that we like. Okay, so please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon so that you are notified of the videos that we upload every other day. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video, friends. Please do like and share our videos too. Have a great day, friends. See you in next video. Bye for now.